Kimberbellas, Kristen Som here. Today for Broomhilda's quilt, we're going to do Boot with Buckle. It's on page 16 of our Broomhilda book. And we're going to start with our fabric at 10.5 by 8.5. It's this white with spider webs on it. It was discontinued, so if you don't happen to still have any, this is my last piece. You can use, like we did a couple days ago, for what was it, for the one of the boots, we did the purple with spider fabric, and I didn't have any, so I used purple with the spider quilting, and that worked great. That was a suggestion from one of our Kimberbellas, and it was so great. So anyway, you can do that. Get regular white fabric and do black spider web quilting on it, and you're all set. So you want, let's see, our final cut size is 6.5 by 8.5. So you want a quilting design that is 6 by 8. And for this busy one, I don't think I'll do spider webs because it's already pretty busy. I think I'll do those spooky lines. I think I'll do that. So anyway, any quilting design that is 6 by 8 and you're good to go. And then we are going to do chenille again. So you want 4 pieces of this little green fabric. I did one of them with fusible stabilizer on the back, but the other ones you definitely do not want that because we are going to purposely make it messy. And I use a toothbrush that I keep in my craft room. There is an actual chenille brush, or you can use a nail file, whatever works for you. And then we need a black for our boot buckle. And then from our embellishment kit, we need our purple glitter for the first time. How pretty is that? I love that. Did you know that I used to be a purple girl before I turned pink crazy? I had a bunch of purple stuff and I still love purple, but once I found my pink bike, that was it. I became pinky. So anyway, make sure to take the top off of your glitter sheet. Can you see that? Yeah. And then we'll go through more directions on how to adhere it and all that. And so 6 by 8 quilting design and chenille again, and that's about it. Boot with buckle. Let's do it.